welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're doing this beautiful pink Valentine season inspired makeup look. I know that I said that I was gonna do Valentine's Day makeup for, prior to the date so that you could try it out, but time passed and I did not notice, and we're here. So if you want to recreate this lovely pink look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I've brought you up close and personal, just so that just pick out all of the pink shades that you might have at your disposal. And don't mind me, I'm just gonna switch around through palettes because I don't have like all of the shades that I have in mind at hand. So yeah, feel free to pick any of your, favorite pink shades and your favorite lashes, and let's get going. So the pink that I had in mind is the Jacquiania with Anastasia palette. The pink one, it's the shade Supreme. It's this beautiful pinky shade, and I just feel like it's so girly. And for some reason, I just want to feel very girly and like feminine. So I'm just gonna roll with that. My eyes are already prepped and primed, so let's just give this a go. Okay, so as you can see, I put this kind of in the middle and kind of the outer part just because I want to put a little bit of glitter here, but I actually included it at the top, so I want it to be like elongating but like blending out throughout the eye rather than just, glitter and darker shade. I want it to be very blended out and diffused. So I have this beautiful Berries by Juvia's palette. It's full of, pinks, but I want to keep this matte and glittery, not metallic. That's what I want to say, because I was going to say matte, but it's not matte. So I'm going to jump into this shade. It's the shade, I actually don't know because this doesn't have names. So basically this one. As you can see, I went in patting motions and, went for white shield motions, just because these shades, specifically the Berries, the Juvia's Place palettes are very, very intense. They're very highly pigmented, so you have to be careful. This is just something to keep in mind if you're using these palettes. But as you can see, I kind of just played around with those two shades to create a little bit of dimension. I really want to play and keep it pink, and I'm gonna darken it up just a little bit right here just to kind of like pull the whole look together. I don't want it to be so bland and only pink, but want to keep it pink. Actually, I'm gonna stay in this palette and I'm gonna take the deeper shade, this one, and I'm gonna kind of line up my eyes just at the end and darken just a little bit, but very diffused. And I'm actually gonna do that on the other eye as well. Hey guys, so this is what the eyes are looking like, which I'm really happy about. It's just a couple shades of pink, but somewhat defined and somewhat blended out. I'm all over the place today, don't mind me. I was thinking of using a silver shade for this look, but the more I saw how pink it was getting, I thought about this little baby, the Hourglass Scattered Lights in the shade Smoke, which is kind of like a taupey shade, and I feel like it would look pretty amazing with this. So I'm just gonna tap it in the inner lids and see how that looks. And if I feel like it needs an oomph, then we can add the silver like kind of in the middle to give it some light. Guys, can you see how freaking wet this looks? I'm just want you to admire the beauty of this. Like, the camera does not do any justice to how shiny and wet looking this is. I'm gonna actually put a picture of this look once it's done because it's so beautiful. I don't even know if you should add something. I feel like this is so pretty as is. Oh, but maybe instead of that, so I have this Kaja trio. This is the Orange Blossom, my favorite one. They're so beautiful. such beautiful glitters. And this one has kind of like an pinkish and gold reflection to it. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle, right where the pink meets the glitter. I'm gonna do that. I don't know what's prettier, the Kaja Trio or the Hourglass. It's so beautiful, and I feel like it gives it such a good dimension. So it goes from kind of like a rose gold and then to like a taupey. I feel like it's the right, you know, combination. So I'm just gonna blend things out. I'm gonna make again the dark pink liner that I had here. I'm gonna put it all over again because, you know, it got blended out. Got overshadowed by this beautiful glitter, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna put some black liner here. I'm gonna put some lashes because yes, we are finally going back to lashes because lashes are everything. And I feel like looking glam today. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna jump, I think, into the face. Okay guys, so this is what the eyes look like. I am so happy that I put lashes on. It's been months since I've used lashes and I just remembered how beautiful they are, and I'm really happy so far how we're going. So I'm actually just gonna spray myself with some Morphe continuous setting spray. This is a really great base. Kind of just make everything set in, you know, settle in with grounds. And I'm gonna jump in with the Rare Beauty foundation. This is a wonderful foundation, especially if you want to go more full coverage, but you want to keep that hydration going on. So for me, it's like my forehead and my chin have been going through a rough time due to life. So we're just gonna jump in with this. Lovely coverage. I haven't used this foundation in a while. I don't know, I feel like I'm re-falling in love with all of my makeup and it's just glorious. So on that same note, I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty concealer. I thought about mixing it with a Maybelline, but I kind of digging the way this is looking. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and I'm not gonna set my face for this look. So I'm gonna use the Bondi Bay bronzer, and I'm gonna pair it with the Hourglass Diffused Bronze Light, just because this is gonna give me, you know, kind of like a neutral bronzy look. I don't wanna look warm. I wanna keep it like more neutral. I don't know, and I feel like this is gonna give me some more light to it without building it up. I'm gonna use the Nudestix Body Language Blush. I really like this. I love the matte version of this, and on top of this really good foundation, this is gonna look super fresh. It's not gonna look matte or flat at all. And then I'm gonna jump in with my favorite highlighter, which is the e.l.f. Metallic Flare highlighter in Mega Glow, no, in white gold. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna finish up the lip. Okay guys, so this is how everything's going. Now I know that I said that we're gonna do the lips and then we're gonna finish the look, but I completely forgot that we have the under eyes to finish. So let's jump in real quick and finish these eyes. So what I wanna do, I wanna keep things very colorful, as they are already. So I'm gonna actually do my inner corner with this same highlighter that I have here. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same shades here. Actually, I'm just gonna use this one just because I feel like this is such a nice pop of pink. And I'm gonna line my under eyes with that. So I actually feel like I want to diffuse this a little. I'm going to use the shade Supreme to kind of smooth that out. And I'm actually going to add the Hourglass scattered light here at the bottom just because I want to keep it sparkle as well. So pretty much what was on top, we put it at the bottom as well. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. You guys, I'm in love with the Hourglass scattered light. I just feel like it opens so much the eyes. It looks so pinky and wonderful, and I just feel like it opened up them very, very much. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys out so we can finish this once and for all. Hey guys, so this is what we are looking like. Yes, this is the look. So yeah, I'm a little bit out there, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I just wanted to play with my hair. I'm working a lot through my curls, so I wanted to get them out there. So for the lip, I'm actually not even thinking it twice, guys. The Maybelline New Lip Glosses, the lifter glosses. I feel like there's a lot going on in the eyes and, you know, face looking glowy, but I just feel like I want the eyes to be the center of the attention, so I'm just gonna go ahead, put this bad boy on. It smells so good. This is such a delicious formula. It just makes my lips so glossy and looks so plump and delicious, and I feel like the lips could have been a little bit pinker just to tie everything up, but I don't feel like I have anything that would match this so perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna give you two different options. So this is kind of like, you know, the toned down version, you know, you don't want to draw much attention to the lips, so we're gonna leave it at that, and then I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna put the freaking Frack from Colourpop. And I think this is gonna be the right one. Okay, definitely, if you wanna make a statement, this is the one. This is the one that you wanna pull off. Hey guys, this is what the final look is like. I am really happy with how everything is looking. I think everything is so put together. It's very Valentine themed. It's very pink and feminine, and I am completely in love with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't that long. I really enjoyed this. If you do end up recreating, by all means, tag me on Instagram and comment down below any other color story that you'd like me to try. I feel like I have to do it. It's Valentine's season. I said that I would do it and I never did. Previous to Valentine's Day, I mean. So if you have any other color palette, like any other colors that you'd like me to try for a look, then just let me know, or a palette that you have in mind. And I'll obviously, you know, dig my creativity in that. So if you like this video or this look, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.